I'm going to answer question number 1. And before you proceed with this video lecture, make sure you have the question paper, because I'll be making reference to the paper. I'll be showing you why I'm making certain entries in the financial statement. So it's important that you read the question before proceeding with this lesson. You should as well have an exercise book and a pen, plus a calculator, because we will be calculating certain items as we answer question number 1. So, candidates, welcome to the lesson. Question 1 of the November 2020 financial accounting paper that was done in November reads, Part A, outline 4 reasons for incomplete accounting records in an organization. 4 marks. So I'm going to take that one first. 4 reasons for incomplete accounting records in an organization. Now, candidates, accounting records which are not strictly kept according to the double entry system are known as incomplete accounting records. And in some accounting books, such records are referred to as single entry system. Single entry system. That means where an organization does not strictly prepare its accounting records according to the double entry system, then such records are known as the incomplete records. And the question required candidates to provide reasons for incomplete accounting records in an organization. What are the reasons why an organization could opt to use the single entry system as opposed to the double entry system when preparing accounting records? That's the first question. November 2020 question 1A. Reasons for incomplete accounting records. Reasons for incomplete accounting records. Now, one reason is that the system can be adopted by people who do not have proper knowledge of accounting principles. Lack of proper knowledge of accounting knowledge or principles. Lack of proper knowledge of accounting principles. Some of the accounting principles include the use of the double entry system and so on. So, where the company does not have proper knowledge in accounting principles, then such a company can adopt the single entry system of accounting. It can be adopted by people who do not have the proper knowledge of accounting principles. This method is also easy to use. This method is also inexpensive. It is inexpensive. It is an inexpensive mode of maintaining records. The third reason why an organization can opt for the single entry system is that the time consumed in maintaining records is less. because it's just single entry. It's not like the double entry system. Single entry, just make one entry. You don't have to make a corresponding entry in another account. It is less time consuming. And because of that, a few books are maintained. The fourth reason for incomplete accounting records is that it is a convenient mode of maintaining records. Convenient. It is what? It is a convenient mode of maintaining records, as the owner may record only important transactions according to the need of his or her business. So these are 4 reasons, and this would earn 4 marks. Lack of proper knowledge of accounting principles. The system is inexpensive. The system requires less time. Convenience, 4 marks. These are 4 quick marks.